I am in the middle of the road and I came across a painting for the railroad crossing, and here it is behind me. And what I want to see is if I tell you that the measure of this angle is 30 degrees and this measure is x plus 20, what is the value of x? Again, the measure of this angle is 30. The measure of this angle is x plus 20. What is x? You should recognize these two angles as being vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent or equal to each other. So we set x plus 20 equal to 30. Then we will subtract 20 from both sides of the equation and then find that our variable x is equal to 10. So if x equals 10, now we replace any variable x with 10. We solve or simplify and we find that both angles are equal to 30 degrees. Okay, one more challenging one for you, but I need to hurry up because I've already been honked at twice and it ain't for my good looks. So I want to tell you that the measure of this angle here is 2x plus 5. The measure of this angle is 3x minus 7.5. 2x plus 5, 3x minus 7.5. What is the value of x? Good luck. Once again, since these two angles are vertical angles, they are equal to each other. So write an equation that shows the two expressions are equal to each other. Next, move the variable to one side. I have chosen to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. Now we're going to add 7.5 to both sides of the equation and isolate the variable. We now know that x equals 12.5. So our angles are not equal to 12.5. The variable x is. So now we need to replace the x with 12.5 and solve each expression. Each angle is 30 degrees. Now that you know two angles are equal to 30 degrees, what is the measure of the other two angles? The two angles I put angle marks in are supplementary angles, which means together they both equal 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus the 30 degrees we already have equals 150 degrees. And since this angle is 150 degrees, the other angle that's vertical to it is also 150 degrees.